Everyone, today we are making the Muffuletta Panini from the Magnolia Terrace booth at Flower and Garden Festival. Now, I've never had a traditional muffuletta before, but I worked in a New York deli for a long time, so sandwiches of all kinds have my heart, and I was really excited to try this one out. The key to this wonderful sandwich is the olive salad. The brininess really cuts the fattiness from the cold cuts, and that crispy, buttery crust and melty cheese just makes for the perfect bite. This can easily serve four for a meal or cut it up smaller as an appetizer. It's a win-win either way. So let's go get started on this sandwich. So I have a large French bread. If you could find a round boule, that would be even better. And I am just cutting the ends off and cutting it in half. Then we're going to take this olive salad, about a half a cup, and spread it onto both sides of the bread. And you really want to try and get some of the oil from that because it's going to get really deep down into the bread and make this just an awesome sandwich. So now on the bottom slice of the bread, I am putting a 1/4 pound of sliced Swiss cheese. And on the top of the bread, I'm putting a 1/4 pound of sliced provolone cheese. So then I have a 1/4 pound of mortadella, a 1/4 pound of Genoa salami, and a 1/4 pound of baked ham. So we really want to press this sandwich down as much as we can and let it marinate together for a couple hours. So what I like to do is put saran wrap underneath the sandwich, and what I'm doing is pressing down on the top and really pulling the saran wrap and wrapping it over the top to really compress this sandwich down. And what that's going to do is it's going to help the flavors all meld together and kind of make the bread not so big and puffy so that when we put it in the panini press, it's a lot easier. And then we're just going to put this in the fridge for about 2 hours. And when that time is up, we are going to get our panini press heating. Now, if you don't have a panini press, you can still make this recipe. What you want to do is take 2 heavy stainless steel or cast iron pans, and you will put the sandwich on the stove in the one pan, and then take the other pan on top with a glove and press down on the sandwich as it's cooking. So I mixed 2 tablespoons of melted butter together with a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I am just brushing the bottom of my panini press. So if you're using a pan, brush the bottom of the pan, and then brush the top of the sandwich as well. And then we are just going to press this until it's crispy and golden brown, about 5-6 minutes or so. And it would be the same in a pan. And then when that's all done, we'll let it cool for just a couple of minutes to let the cheese kind of firm up again, and then cut it into as many pieces as you'd like. So there you have it. There is our gorgeous sandwich. I really hope you enjoyed making this with me, and if you did like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up as it really does help my channel, and subscribe if you want to see more fun Disney recipes in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!